Hello, I'm Elizabeth from Wheeling, West Virginia. I'm pleased to introduce the video trailer for Polyhedron Physics by Polyhedron Learning Media.
Polyhedron Physics offers an effective way to provide realistic lab experiences at the secondary and post-secondary levels. Online access, anywhere, anytime, makes these labs ideal for distance learning or homeschool situations. Two product options are available, Polyhedron Physics and Polyhedron Physics Plus. Both include interactive 3D simulations that allow students to manipulate virtual lab equipment, conduct experiments, and collect data in a realistic way. With more than 60 simulations in the areas of kinematics and dynamics, thermodynamics, electricity, and light and sound, Polyhedron Physics can easily cover an entire year of physics labs. Interactive 3D simulations allow students to manipulate equipment and collect data just as they would with real equipment in a hands-on lab. Variability and error based on real-world data make these simulations realistic in every respect. Whether you need a complete, ready-to-use lab package, or you just need the virtual equipment for use in your existing labs, one of these product options will be right for you. Polyhedron Physics, the next generation of physics labs.